Want to get Instagram 8-digit backup codes and log in without a verification code? Here's how it works. Backup codes are useful if you don't have access to your SMS, WhatsApp, or authentication app. Let's say you're trying to log in. You enter your username and password. Instagram asks for a verification code. Tap Try another way. You'll see options like WhatsApp code, SMS code, backup code. Now the question is, how do you get those backup codes? If your Instagram account is already logged in on another device, this is the easiest method. Open Instagram on that device. Go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Open Accounts Center. Tap Password and Security. Now select Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your Instagram account. Under Additional Methods, tap Backup Codes. Here you'll see a list of 8-digit backup codes. Copy one of them. Now go back to the login screen on your new device. Enter the backup code and tap Continue. You'll be logged in instantly. Important, each backup code can only be used once. If your account is not logged in on any device, you have 3 options. Use WhatsApp code, use SMS code, or choose Account Recovery. In Account Recovery, you'll need to verify your identity with your email or a selfie video. Instagram will review your request and help you regain access. And that's it. That's how to get Instagram 8-digit backup codes and log in without a verification code. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram security tips.